love Hakka。
现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Here's another Hakka song on ICRT， 很乡村的感觉，因为呢要带大家到苗栗南庄绕一圈。
噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔，送到海该心跳。噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔噔，送到海该心跳。就是给空气，湿湿甜甜。一水四个嘅生甜，拍拍锵锵，河把水对你流过呀，河把水对頭擺流向未來。
This song is called Lok Yo Nanzhuang, which means stop over in Nanzhuang, which is a place that our singer Luo Sirong actually lived in for a while. The diversity of culture there inspired her to write this song to praise the nature, civilization, and life through thoughtful lyrics. 哇，好有乡村原野的感觉哦！那是因为刘思荣呢曾经住在苗栗南庄一段时间，而写出了这首《Lok Yo Nanzhuang》来描述各民族在美丽的山村多元共生，以及当地的文化风貌呈现给大家，就像是台湾这片美丽的土地一样哦。Lok Yo Nanzhuang or Stop Over in Nanzhuang 真的是带我们在苗栗南庄绕了一圈，有如置身其中，真的是太棒了。Well, I'm Joseph Lin, and we'll have another Hakka song next time. See ya.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.